Hi, today we're going to be making rainbow cupcakes. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 large bowls, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of butter, at room temperature in small pieces, 3 large eggs, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a muffin tin and 12 cupcake cases. You need 2 food colouring of your choice, but preferably not blue because we'll be using that later on for the icing. First, before we do anything, we need to go wash our hands. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Grab your muffin tin and your cupcake cases and place in the holes. Once you've done that, you need to grab one of your large mixing bowls and pour in all of your ingredients. Now you need to use an electric whisk to whisk up until smooth, or use a spoon by hand. Once it is at a nice creamy consistency, grab another large bowl and evenly distribute between the two. Once you've done that, grab one of your food colouring and add in a couple of blobs. A bit more. The colouring needs to be dark enough so when it comes out of the oven it will still be noticeable. That should be dark enough. Now, grab your other bowl and do the same for the other mixture. That should be about dark enough now. The next thing you need to do is grab your muffin tin and distribute the mixture. Distribute half of the mixture into 6 of the cupcake cases. I think they look good. So now I need to put these in the oven for 15 minutes, but watch them, they may need a little longer. Now, as the cupcakes are in the oven, we're now going to make the buttercream. For the buttercream, you're going to need 100 grams of icing sugar, 50 grams of room temperature butter, again in small pieces, half a tablespoon of milk, and you can add some glitter crystals if you want. Now, you don't need a lot of buttercream as we're going to be using it for the clouds. Right, I think we're going to need to add in a little bit more milk. Now we're going to add in some crystals. You can add in as much as you like. This makes it look pretty and gives it a crunchy texture. Right, now that's done. We're going to put this in the fridge until your cupcakes are ready and cool down. Right, we're going to be making the icing, but you need to make sure your cupcakes are cool, and you may need to trim off the top to make it smooth, like this. You need icing sugar and water. Just need about this much icing sugar, enough to cover the tops, and then pour the water in and stir. Now, we need a bit more icing sugar in here. It's a bit too watery. Your blue bin to make it look like a sky. Once you've covered your cupcakes in blue icing, you need to grab your buttercream and put in a piping bag like this. You also need rainbow laces to cut in half, or about 5.5 to 6 centimetres. Grab a rainbow and place on the cupcake like this, and put some clouds, and do that on all of the other cupcakes until finished. Here's the finished project. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you get notified when we post our next video. See you in the next video, bye!